The Great Math Adventure. In a small town nestled between rolling hills and a quiet river, there was a middle school situated. The students dreaded one thing above all: math class. Among all the students, Ravi, a curious but mischievous boy, led the group that found math boring and unnecessarily hard. His friends Maya and Kabir often joined him daydreaming in during class. One day, their math teacher, Mr. Sharma, surprised them with an announcement. Listen up, class, he said, adjusting his glasses. We are going on a math adventure tomorrow. The students ground amazing piles of homework discussed as an adventure. But Mr. Sharma smiled knowingly. Wait and see, he said. The mystery of the math map. The next day, students found themselves at the school gym, transformed into an adventure ground. Mr. Sharma handed out an old map with equations scribbled all over it. This, he declared, is the math map. It will lead you to the treasure, but only if you solve its riddles and equations. Now Ravi's ear perked up. A treasure? That sounded way better than solving equations on paper. He grabbed Maya and Kabir, and the trio formed a team. The first clue on the map read. Now they were finding themselves little responsible and mature. To open the path to the golden key, solve the puzzle of A plus B if A equals to 7 and B equals to 13. What's the result? Easy, Maya said, rolling her eyes. It's 20. Curious Kabir asked, and how it's 20? Please explain me. Maya said, sure, let me explain you. She said, keep things in your mind. A plus B, if A equals to 7 and B equals to 13, place the values. 7 plus 13 equals to 20. Easy. Ali from the other group member quickly said, let me tell you its algebra equations, and we solve it but placing the values. The map said, yes, first answer was correct, but here comes little more harder. If you solve this, you will get the golden key. The clue was read if x equals to 5, y equals to 9. What is 10x plus y? Since Ravi was listening everything, he understood the equations. He quickly solved it in his mind and suddenly answered, it's 59. Ravi wanted to take a lead. He wanted to explain the equation. He came and said 10x plus y equals to what? Placing the value of x and y, we will get the answer. So 10 into 5 because it's multiplying. So 10 into 5 is 50 and the y value is 9. 50 plus 9 is 59. Everyone said loudly, correct. They ran into the designated area of the map marked 59, where they found a small box. Inside was a riddle. Divide the chocolates equally among four friends. Each gets 5. How many chocolates were there in total? Kabir thought hardly. I think it's 20. Correct, but one more question, little harder for you, Map said next. Up next, the question was divide 15 pencils into 3 kits. 15 divided by 3. This time Anna said 5. Right, said Ravi. They solved it quickly and moved on, but the puzzles became harder. The maze of multiplication. Let's see what happens next. The next stage was maze where everyone wrong turn had a multiplication problem on the walls. This is going to be our hardest. To get out, they had to solve each equation. Ravi, who hated multiplication, groaned. Why does it always have to be numbers? Hmm. Maya, ever the brainiac, stepped up. Let me handle this. What's 7 times 6? 42, Ravi blurted out, surprisingly everyone, including himself. I think I remembered that from a cricket match score. Another question came upon the walls of maze was 8 times 6. This time all of the class sat together. 48. They navigated through the maze, solving multiplication problems and even a few division questions. Ravi found himself enjoying the challenge, much to his surprise. The algebraic avalanche. At the next station, they were faced with an equation written in bold letters. Solve for x. 2x plus 5 equals to 15. Great, Ravi muttered. Now we are doomed. Kabir, who rarely paid attention in class, guessed X is 10. No, that's not correct. Maya, who has always been focused, sat grabbing a stick to write in the dirt. We subtract 5 first, then divide by 2. X is 5. Let me explain you. 2x plus 5 equals to 15. 2x equals to 5 minus 5. We will bring 5 to the equals right side. Bringing 5 to an other side will change the sign. That was positive 5. That will be negative 5 when it will come to the right side of the equals. Same we will do the opposite of 2. 2 is multiplying with x here. It will be dividing when it comes to the equals right side. That is how 10 divided by 2 further divide is 5. The answer is 5. They moved on fast and the map said, well done. But one more equation quickly came up, just 2 steps further. If 5x minus 10 equals to 5, what's x? 5x minus 10 equals to 5. 5x equals to 5 plus 10. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Ravi this time calculated all in his mind and said 3 and laughed. I know, right? When they got it right, a hidden door opened and they found a piece of the treasure map. See, Ravi? Maya teased. Math isn't so bad when you actually try. The final challenge. The last part of the adventure brought them to the giant chest by the riddle. I am a 3-digit number. My tens digit is 5 and my ones digit is 3. My 100 digits is twice my number digits. What am I? Ravi's eyes lit up. Hundreds digit is twice the ones digit. So it's 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. The number is 653. I am a 3-digit number. My tens digit is 8. My 1 digit is 2. My 100 digits is twice my ones digit. What am I? Again, the question came up. Write one from the chest. All together they shouted, it's 682. The chest clicked up, revealing a gold-wrapped chocolates and certificates that read Certified Math Adventure. A new perspective on math. As they munched on chocolates, Ravi admitted, okay, maybe math isn't so bad. Ali said it's kind of fun when it feels like a game. Mr. Sharma appeared and smiled. Math is everywhere, Ravi, Ali, and everyone. Once you understand its magic, you will see it's more than just numbers on the page. From that day, Ravi and his friends looked at math with new eyes. They thought Ravi still struggled with the occasional equation. He never saw math as boring again. It had become an adventure in itself. The moral of this story is math isn't just about numbers. It's about problem solving, teamwork, and finding patterns in the world around us. It can be an adventure if approached curiosity, and creativity. Here ends the story of the math adventure. But if you want to listen stories like this, please like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Thank you.